Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and opening Bing so you can access personalized results quickly. Once done, switch to the chat or search bar and type concise queries like Roblox API tutorial or Roblox Studio Asset Import. Make sure location and safe search are set to get relevant, age-appropriate results. This reduces irrelevant pages. If you plan to use images or code snippets, keep a project folder ready so you can paste or download resources without interruption. You refine your search using operators like quotes, cite, Roblox, com or file type, Lua to pinpoint official docs and code samples. Once Bing returns results, ask follow-up chat prompts for step-by-step instructions or to simplify complex code. This saves trial and error. Make sure to filter by date to get recent tutorials and by media type for videos or images if you need visual guidance. If you need code, copy it into Roblox Studio immediately and test in a small place to confirm behavior. You now apply what Bing found. Paste scripts into a test Roblox place and run Play Solo to verify functionality before deployment. If you hit errors, copy the exact error message and ask Bing Chat for likely causes and concrete fixes. This quickly narrows troubleshooting steps. Make sure to save helpful guides and examples to collections or bookmarks so you can reproduce steps later. Finally, iterate, tweak parameters, retest, and use Bing to compare alternate approaches until your feature works as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.